Hey, it's Robert here, founder and CEO of robertcbrown.online and empoweredlife.tv. Hope you're having a spectacular day wherever you are in the world today. And in today's video, I want to talk about how to create a gratitude list. Well, first of all, why would you want to construct a gratitude list? Well, it's as simple as this. We're in a feeling universe, a universe that responds to thoughts that we send out there into the ether that are attached to emotion. Okay, you've got an emotion attached to them, and the emotion is like a catalyst. That is what gives it the power to become physical, to create, okay, to manifest, whichever word you prefer to choose, you know what I mean. So it's important to adopt an attitude of gratitude, because you can pretty much create anything for yourself that you desire if you position yourself in such a way that you are feeling happy, positive, motivated, filled with joy as much of the time as possible, because that empowers you. Whereas when you're feeling less than, you're moving away from, you're feeling down, depressed, whatever it might be, frustrated, overwhelmed, we could list it all day, all the different types of negative emotion that we as human stroke spiritual beings can go through. If you're in that place, you're not creating anything but more of the stuff that's making you feel unhappy. So it's so important to create a gratitude list. And the reason why I would suggest that you create a list rather than keeping it in your head and, all that sort of stuff is purely and simply that the act of actually looking at something and reading it off out loud to yourself really impacts you on a deeper level, really goes within and starts that reprogramming process that is so essential to being, doing and having everything you want for yourself in life. Because the first part of that equation is the B, right? The B, that's the first part of the formula. You have to go to work on yourself. And a big part of that is to start feeling grateful for what you have. Otherwise, everything that you want comes from a perception of lack and fear, frustration, all of the other stuff that we've mentioned earlier on. So again, what you're actually doing is attracting more of that, not the stuff that you actually want. So even if you're saying to yourself right now, well, that's great, Robert, but this is my situation. Okay, well, that may be your situation. But here's the thing. You, my friend, are not your situation. So stop identifying with your situation if it doesn't empower you to be, do and have everything that you want in life, okay? You are not your situation. Form is temporary, class is permanent. You are a spiritual being having a human experience. If you don't like what you're experiencing, you can change it. And it starts with a decision to change it. So stop wallowing in what makes you feel less than, and start getting yourself in a position where you feel empowered. You start to recognize your own greatness. You start to recognize and feel gratitude for that you've got in your life, which others won't have, by the way. And once you get yourself into that situation where you start to feel grateful for what you have and who you are, then you'll experience a tremendous surge of personal growth. You'll move towards everything that you want to be, do and have in life so quickly. You'll wonder why it had been so hard up till now. Well, let me tell you why. It's because you've been going through life with the brakes on. So take the brakes off. Now listen, I'm not going to go through the ABCD of how to write a gratitude list in this video. But I wanted to make this video to tell you that I've actually done an article. I've written a blog post which goes through the ABC. And I'd like you to go check it out. The link's below this video. And print it off and follow it. I wanted to make this video to get you to take that action. Nothing more, nothing less. It will change your life when you get yourself into a situation where you start to feel more empowered. The more you become, the more you can do, and the more you'll experience for yourself, and the more you'll be able to give to others. So, you know, what's wonderful about this process is you're not only empowering yourself and improving your own life, but you're empowering yourself to the degree that you'll be able to empower others to improve their lives. And I can tell you right here and now from personal experience, there is nothing quite like the buzz of feeling like you've made a small contribution to somebody else's life that's helped them move towards everything they want to be, do and have. That's a wonderful thing to be committed to doing. But first, sort yourself out. Go take a look at the blog post, print it off, apply it every day. You can carry your gratitude list around on a sheet of A4 paper. You can have it on index cards, which I do a lot, and then you can turn them into affirmations as well. So you can affirm them every day, attach emotions, and watch these things come into your physical reality. You don't have to trust me about whether or not it works. Just do it. Just suspend any disbelief that you might have right now and just do it. What have you got to lose? If your way isn't working right now, why not give my way a go? What have you got to lose? Anyway, I've enjoyed making this video for you. Keep checking me out. I'm here every week, so subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make one of these videos. And go check out my websites as well, robertcbrown.online and empoweredlife.tv. Love to see you over there at either one or both of those websites as well, and join the communities over there so that we can enjoy this journey together. And with all of that said, I'm going to wrap up now, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Take care. Bye.